Hey everyone, this is Sabrina from Sabrina the Teenage Stitch. Welcome to my channel and a new video. This time this is my September Knitcrate unboxing or revealing video. I am really excited to open it up. I have received it a few days ago and kept it unopened so I can do it in front of the camera. Here it is. Before we do that, let me ask you please to hit the likes button, and if you are not subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button below, and right next to it there's a little bell that will tell you when a new video is published. At this moment in time, right outside, there's Storm Alley, and I am told that the winds could go up to 130 kilometers per hour, and if not even more. We are almost on red alert. Lots of flying debris will be coming soon and all kinds of stuff, so I'm not looking forward to that. I'm guessing all the bins and everything will be dancing around in the garden soon enough. I do not like storms, wind, all this. It just makes me so scared because you know you can't do anything against nature. Right, so anyway, that's out of the way. I will now open my September box. There we are. I am so excited. I wonder what we're gonna get this time. So I am immediately greeted by two books. Oh, dash, dot, dash. I guess this is this month's theme. So this one here is the crochet pattern book. And that, dash, that is the letter K in Morse code, which K is obviously then for Knitcrate. So when you open it up, it tells you about the designer, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Cecilia Losada. Here she is. And her pattern is amazing. It's called Las Mañanitas de Blanco. It's very beautiful. And I like the edging. Oh, I think I might just do that one. How nice. And the knitting one, knitting pattern book, September 2018. And the designer is called Anne Podlesak. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Here she is. And the design is called West Wind. Oh, this is nice too. This is it here. So obviously I cannot show you the patterns, but they're there. And there's again some diagrams you can work with if you like diagrams. If not, it's written row by row. So now, here comes the yarn. Oh, it is amazing. What a treat. What a treat. It is called Vidalana for Knitcrate, and the colorway is called Night. And let's see, it is 70% superwash merino wool, 20% silk. What does it say scale? Silk, 10% cashmere. It is sport weight. I don't know what that means in terms of the UK, but it does say to use between a 3.75 and a 4.5 millimeter hook or knitting needles. So it's between a double knit, I think, and the iron weight. It does feel quite thin though. I'm not sure. Well, the colors, anyway, here they are. Absolutely amazing and so squishy, so soft. Beautiful. Just look at the colors. And it's 2 skeins in the box. So you've got 200 grams and it's enough to do the project. And if you don't want to follow the patterns, you can always find something else to use this with. Now I will show you now. Look at the lovely blues. I'm so glad I got this colorway, and I know that there are 4 or 5 different colorways, and which one you will get, you will never know until you actually open your box, which I love this concept of, you know, every month is a surprise. Absolutely love this yarn, just this color. Once again, I cannot put into words just how soft and squishy this is. Oh, it's just lovely. Beautiful. Well, there we are. This is another video done about Knitcrate. This is my second video. I wonder what October will be giving us. October? I'm not sure. This is really autumn season. I'm wondering if we're gonna get some browns, different kind of browns, reds, yellows. I don't know, maybe some greens. It's the autumn season, isn't it? So, thank you very much for watching. And I shall look forward to seeing you all again. Happy crochet and knitting. Bye for now.